Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all? Today we are here for your grammar class, grammar English class, and then we will start verbs today. First of all, we will talk about verbs. What are verbs? I think you know that verbs are known as action words. The words that shows action, that is called verbs. So here if we see a definition, a verb of a verb is a word or phrase that says or asserts something about a person or thing. Means it tells what a person is doing, it tells what is being done. Okay. What a verb tells? A verb may tell what a person or thing does. Thus, a doctor treats patient. Our plane flew over the mountains. So these are the action verbs. Treats, a doctor treats patient. Treats is verb. Our plane flew over the mountains. Flew, action verbs. What is done to a person or thing? The roads were repaired. The athletes were trained. Okay. The state in which a person or thing is, I know your address. A moat surrounds the castle. These are non-action words. You are not, it means like if you are watching a doctor, then he is doing the treatment. Just he just apply the ointment, doing the checking, okay, measuring temperature. An aeroplane, you can see that flying, that is flying in the sky. So these are the action that is being done. But I know your address. No. Can you see? No. So these are non-action verbs. Okay. What a person or thing is. Father is angry. The clouds were thick and dark. Verbs to show being. Verbs to show beings. Okay. These were the example. Next is what a person or thing has. A spider has 8 legs. Our school has a tennis court. A verb is the most important part of a sentence. In fact, it may be called a sentence. We can have a sentence with only the verb in it, but no sentence can without a verb. Means to frame a sentence you need a verb that we have discussed in the examples. Out of these, one of the verbs should be there in the sentence. So without verb you cannot frame sentence. If we talk about go, sit, so these are complete sentence. Go and sit. Don't think that these are verbs. These are also the sentences. All the students of this class absent from the school today. Not a sentence if there is no verb. The number of words in a verb may vary from 1 to 4. Like Avinav plays hockey, 1 word. Avinav is playing hockey, 2 words. Avinav has been playing hockey, 3 words. Avinav might have been playing hockey, 4 words. Means you have noticed number of words in a verb may vary from 1 to 4. It 1 plays, 2 is playing, 3 has been playing, 4 might have been playing. Okay. So now next topic is kinds of verb, main and auxiliaries. What are main verbs? Main verbs are also known as principal verbs like eat, drink, sleep, go, give, sing, etc. Auxiliary verbs here. Auxiliary verbs are be, do, have, can, may, should, etc. The nightingale sings sweet songs. Main verb. The nightingale is singing a sweet song. Singing is the main verb, has been used as helping verb to form a tense of the main verb. Okay. So is singing is used here as helping verb. Okay. Verb used to form the tense of main verbs are called auxiliary verbs, and auxiliary verbs are known as helping verbs. Some more information about this we will come to know that auxiliaries. What are auxiliaries? There are 12 auxiliaries in English. Be, have, do, can, may, will, shall, must, ought to, need, dare and used to. All verbs that are not auxiliaries are main verbs. All verbs that are not auxiliaries or not in the category of auxiliaries, they are known as main verb. And now about auxiliaries. Auxiliaries are of three kinds. Primary auxiliaries, first of all we will talk about. Primary auxiliaries are be, have, do. Form of be is, are, am, was, were. Have, has, had. Okay. Do, does, did. These are the form of primary auxiliaries. Keep in mind, three kinds are there of primary auxiliaries. First we have discussed about primary auxiliaries. Now primary auxiliaries can be used as auxiliaries as well as main verbs. We have talked about main verb. So primary auxiliaries are the auxiliaries that you can use as main verbs also, like she is clever. So she, clever, and one verb is here, is. No other verb is here, so is will be considered as main verb. She is taking her dinner. Is auxiliary here because main verb is taking. He has several pairs of shoes. Has main verb. He has lost his new pair of shoes. Has auxiliary. Means when there is two verbs, one is helping verb or auxiliary and another is the main verb, then you can see how it has been used here. She is clever, she is taking her dinner. She has several pair of shoes. She has lost his new pair of shoes. Next is your modal auxiliaries. Next is your modal auxiliaries. What are modal auxiliaries? Modal auxiliaries are just different from the main verbs. Can, past tense of can is could. May, might, past form of may is might. Will, same, would. Shall, should, must and ought to. These are the modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries are used with the main verb to express different moods, ideas like permission, prohibition, obligation, suggestion, etc. We show permission, prohibition, obligation, suggestions, ability, possibility, probability by using modal verbs. Like you can leave early. This is granting permission. Okay, this is granting permission. He should consult his doctor. This is suggestion. You must leave now. Okay, so these are the modal auxiliaries. Now next topic is semi-modals. Semi-modals: dare, need, used to. Dare, need, used to. These are like, these three verbs are called semi-modals because they behave partly like a main verb and partly like a modal auxiliary. That's why these are known as semi-modal. Need I wait for you? Need, here it is modal auxiliary. I don't need your help. Need is here main verb. Okay. He dare not tell lies. Dare, modal auxiliaries. Do you dare to tell lies? Here they are used as main verb. So the verb that used as a main verb and also also work as a modal auxiliaries with the main verb. These we called semi-modals. They are dare, need and used to. Okay. These are the auxiliaries that we have learned about: primary auxiliaries, modal auxiliaries and semi-modal auxiliaries. Okay. So resume to the next video now.